What's up, everybody? Good morning to you all. It's barely 11, so it's kind of late to start the morning, but we're at this nice park right here out in Fullerton. Nice little palm tree view. Now, today, what actually we're gonna do is we are gonna take out the engine to my Mustang again because it's not starting. And what I've come to the conclusion is that it's simply because there's a connecting rod issue. It could be multiple things. I know the timing isn't wrong because the timing was right to begin with. I personally thought it was wrong, but then I soon remembered that it was actually correct. Now we're actually walking up in sandals, which is not the greatest idea to be doing, but we're doing it anyways. You guys see that squirrel? Oh, he did. Well, anyways, so yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna lift the engine out. Tranny isn't mounted anymore, so it'll be a lot easier from the first time that I did it. Bro, I see you. So, this is what we'll do. We'll get it out first. After getting it out, drain the oil, take off the pan, and from there, see how it goes, you know? Hopefully it's not too much of a hassle. But the reason why I say it's going to be partially the connecting rods is because it's an 8-cylinder, and the thing is, the way that they're actually connected to each other on the crankshaft is 2 of the connecting rods are on each sets of lobe. So it could be that maybe I got one flipped, put it in the wrong spot. It was working before, so I can't imagine it's going to be too much work. Probably just need to nudge it out of the way or something. But we'll see. Let's just hope it's not too bad. Now it's time to go down this small hill, then go back up that one. Wish me luck, guys. Oh God, this was not the smartest idea. I gotta work something out, you know. Next time, bring a pair of shoes. But I mean, look at this view. I don't know if you like that view, but I do. Especially with the sky being so open. But we'll see how this goes for the rest of the day. By the way, I may have something for you guys, a little extra footage that you guys would want to see. You wouldn't expect it either, out of what it's coming from, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the area, but this is a spot where everyone likes to chill. I mean, put in these new little wood chips, which is not helping my sandal situation anymore than what grass would have done. But check this out. It's a place where people come to work out because they have stairs right here, sets of stairs, and the view is pretty cool. Some people come for the view. Some people come for the workout. Look at that football field. That looks pretty nice. I don't know where that belongs to or what school. Maybe the college. Who knows? I'm about to walk down these stairs in these goddamn sandals. But it's okay. Just gotta let Bay know just in case if I fall and die. Text Bay, I'm going to work out on some stairs in sandals.
Ready to send it?
Send.
Okay, I'll send it.
Alright guys, here we go. This is scary. I don't know if you guys are down with it. Who else has worked out in sandals? Let me know, because it's kind of scary, especially when you're walking down sets of stairs. But I mean, it's a pretty cool thing, you know. It took him a long time. Oh, you know what? Man, I'm getting tired. I need to take a break. Get to sit down. Whew. Been working out too much. Been here for like maybe a minute, less than that. Man, I'm tired. I need to call it a day. Alright, gotta continue. Now we're going a little faster. Gotta catch up to her. Don't even know her, but she passed me up. It's not cool, bro. Sandal power. We have options, guys. We can either go to the right or we can go to the left, which I'm pretty sure I don't have time to adventure that way. So what I'm thinking of is going that way. But if you think about it, this is a really nice place. I don't know about you guys, but I'm digging it. I should come work out here often. Maybe if I lived around here, it'd probably be a little bit easier, but I don't, so it's probably why I'm stuck with just doing it at my house. Oh, look at this dog. I think it's a Corky. Oh, such a cute dog. Alright, time to go back up. Sketch. We could do this. And there you have it, guys. I did it in sandals. Going up was kind of windy, but we got it. Hey, the dog, he's a champ too. He did it. So are his owners for guiding him on this journey. Look at this view. It's a nice place. Hey, let's play soccer out here, boys. Boys. I couldn't help but notice this 350Z. It's a nice black. But I don't know if I'm too much of a fan of those wheels. I don't know about you guys, but you can tell he used plastic dip. I'm pretty sure those look better original. I wouldn't change them, but I'm not too much of a fan of those wheels either way. Not my poison. So we're checking my post office box. Looks like there's something in there. Question is it for me? Ulta. Linda. The fuck, Linda? For the girlfriend. Linda, bro, come on. I gotta say hi to the girlfriend.
Hi, yes.
Hi, babe. Oh, it's right here.
So you spy on them?
They would know.
But they would know.
Fuck! That sucks, man.
Yeah.
So
Like, look, I'm spying on you right now. No, this.
What? Say it again. Say it again.
Alright, what's up, everybody? So now we're actually gonna get down to working on the Mustang. Yes, changed clothes, only because I didn't want to ruin those clothes. So what we got going on right here is this guy right here. So the issue is it's getting stuck, mainly probably in the by the crankshaft with the connecting rods. Everything else is fine here, but unfortunately, after redoing everything, now I have to retake it off. Unfortunately. So let's see how this goes. Gotta get to that. Alright everybody, so everything is done for, I'm gonna end today's vlog. Engine's on the stand, kind of, not really, it's a little bit retarded looking, but it's fine. Everything seems to be going good. Rest of everything I'm gonna finish tomorrow with taking off the oil pan, seeing where exactly the connecting rods are making contact, even though they're supposed to, but stopping contact. So as you can tell, here it is. Looks a little lopsided. Will it hold? Yes. I'm hoping. No, I'm just kidding. I know for a fact because these bolts are really strong. They're meant to be under a lot of stress. These are brand new, so it's 100% fine. And I'm also assuming you are wondering, well, what is it that you're going to do for us? Unfortunately, I didn't get to do that. A little surprise for you guys today, but I can give you a little clip of what it's supposed to be, and maybe we can do it tomorrow, maybe even Friday. Who knows? But we'll see. All right. So let me just show you right now. Insert clip here.